How's it going?
How's it going today, sir?
Good.
I'm Officer Ramos with the Police Department. The reason I stopped you is because of your, when you turn into that designated left turn lane, alright?
Yeah.
Last second, you hit your blinker on, okay? You have to make sure that you do it safe, you activate it, give it time for other drivers to react.
I'm just giving my coworker a ride home. I wasn't sure where he lived,
Okay.
so.
Where you guys work at?
Key local.
Okay. Sounds good. You have a driver's license
Yep.
and proof of insurance? How long have you worked at Key Logo for?
Oh, geez, going on like 7 years or something.
Yeah. Enjoy every second of it?
Always.
Yeah. I used to work at Triton back in the day.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to look up insurance on my phone quick. See if I can find it.
No problem. Do you still live on East Wash?
Yes.
So do you have an ID on you by chance? Or?
Do you have a reason for my ID?
Yeah, but you're not wearing a seatbelt. Therefore, it gives me enough reason to ask for your information.
When you stopped, I had to take my seatbelt off just in
There's
case.
no reason why you need to take your seatbelt off as a passenger.
Do you have your wallet or what?
I do.
Okay, so I'm asking for your driver's license. Alright, did I see that you have a different form of ID in?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, if you want to just keep looking up for your insurance, I'll just be back up in just a second, alright?
That sounds good.
Not wearing a seatbelt is not a reason to ID.
Yeah, whatever. Don't fight with the cop, then.
I wasn't going to put up more of an issue. Not unless if he's going to start stepping on my toes and start harassing me.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'm recording this too.
Were you able to find your insurance?
I'm pretty
Or just have an issue
sure.
with the proof?
I'm not sure. I think I'm only seeing the one for my fucking Pontiac. So I'm not sure what's going on.
You don't see the proof for this vehicle?
I'm just trying to. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's got two separate accounts or fucking what.
Well, what I'll do is I'll just end up writing a warning. You'll just have to come and show valid proof of insurance.
Sure, that sounds good.
Okay, so do you want to just hold on tight?
Yeah.
Alright, man. What's your address?
Currently I'm staying at my dad's at 520 Howard Avenue.
520 Howard?
Yes.
Okay. And then can I get a phone number for you?
262-297-2961.
Okay. Sounds good. And then, sir, can I get a phone number for you also?
262-623-8331.
Sounds good, guys. It'll be just a second. I'll get you guys on your way.
All right.
Oh, don't mind my smokes.
Yeah. At least we didn't get the dick one.
We'll see. Come back with tickets for nowhere.
Well, the reason why I say at least we didn't get the dick one, there's one that I absolutely hate. I have no respect for him. I understand I had a warrant out for my arrest. I cooperated with him, and there was no reason for him to slap those cuffs on so tight that they were cutting off the circulation. I asked him multiple times on the way to jail to loosen it up, and he said, no, you can wait. By the time I got there, my hands were purple.
I had a girlfriend got pulled over one time. They put her in a car and she had to take a piss, and they wouldn't let her, so she just pissed all over the back of the car seat. This was funny.
I had another time I was on Huber. I had my brother drive me back. I actually got sent from work over to the hospital because I ended up pulling my muscle in my stomach, and work thought I was having appendicitis. So the hospital gave me a whole bunch of Dilaudid. Basically, it's basically morphine, but way better. So they gave me a whole bunch of that, and my brother gets pulled over for suspended plates. And I'm right in front of the jail too. Got 3 cops surrounding the car, and all of a sudden that Dilaudid starts kicking in, and it's like, oh, I'm about to puke. I'm feeling it coming up. I'm trying to open up the door, and the officer's like, close the door. You ain't opening the door, you ain't getting out. And I told him, I looked at him and I said, I'm about to puke, so it's either you're gonna move or I'm puking on your shoes. And I've never seen a cop move as quickly as that. I'm surprised they didn't take care of this thing on the side of the grass here. It's been there all day.
What? Where the fuck is?
Yeah, it looks like it's one of the things for the trucks. Came right out of the center of the wheel.
Oh. Yeah. Max is gonna owe me something now.
Right. Dad first came to Slinger, that's the house right here that he lived at.
Oh,
There was another one
can't
right.
see shit past the blaring lights in my face.
Yeah, there was another one right next to it where this empty space is.
That tear it down.
Yeah. Basically, after the people that lived in there moved out, nobody moved back in. They couldn't get anyone to buy the house, and well, the Wolf gas station over here basically bought out Slinger Manufacturing and bought that lot and basically said, you know what, tear down the house, we're gonna make this.
Yeah, really.
I'm a little upset though that they took all my woods down.
Oh yeah, you can't go back there and fuck around anymore.
Yeah, not only that, but they took down all the noise, like all the noise barrier. So the trees, they blocked a lot of the noise off. Now that that's gone, I can hear the highway.
Oh yeah, I suppose.
I can hear those trucks going in and out. Sometimes I get creeped out because I come home from work, I let my dog out, and all of a sudden I'll see a tree just light up, and I'm like, what in the world is up with the tree just lighting up out of nowhere? And then it'll light up for about 2 minutes and then it goes off. That's what it is. It's somebody jumping in their car, starting it up, and
Yeah, driving away and shit.
yeah.
That's right. So what this is you both are being cited for the seatbelts. Okay. So that's gonna be your citation. It's gonna be the same amount, just different violations. If you want to just hand that over to him.
Yeah, I don't have to worry about paying his, right?
Yeah.
That's all his.
What's that?
That's all his.
What's that?
The seatbelt citation.
Also yours.
I got one. He's got one. I
Correct.
don't have to worry about his, right?
Yeah, it's not like you get cited for not wearing that. I think that's all yours. Purple form just gives you more information with court if you want to plead no contest, or if you just simply want to pay the citation. Gives you information on the purple one.
Okay.
Other than that, it's just gonna be a warning for your improper lane change and proof. Just make sure that you get the proof inside your vehicle.
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
Nope. Sounds good.
Any
man.
questions, Aaron?
Nope.
All right. Sounds good.
So wait, with the proof of insurance, I need to write me up for one?
I already did it.
I'll take care of
It
that.
took long enough for both of them.
Okay.
Your guys' court dates are on the top. Not mandatory, but if you wish to appear, you can do so. All right.
Yep.
All right.
Thanks. Have a good night.
It's this one right here,
So it's like $10.
right? I should just throw the $10 bill at the officer and be like, here, I'll pay my ticket right now.
Yeah. No, I didn't use my blinkers. I pull us over again.